Hello students, so we are into the part 4 of our expansion videos. Part 1 and part 2 I have made with exercise 3.1. We are following ML Agrawal book. If you don't have this textbook, you take any standard ICSE or even CBSE textbook, because basic maths remains same. What we are doing only little here and there. So even if you are doing other book, if you don't have ML Agrawal, then please follow what I am doing, you do that. And even other textbook, if you don't have this, then also you will learn how to do math. So here we start the 4th part, the second video on exercise 3.2, and this is 4th on expansion. So expansion, children, these are the basic formula. There are few more I have noted down for you, which we have been using from the part 1 of our video. A plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a square minus b square. This is something very nice, reciprocal relationship. Cubes formula, there are 2 cubes formula, children, but this one we use most often in this chapter. The other format is very rarely used. Then last question today we will see on sum of 3 things square. Brackets are put here. Some places you will see this brackets are not given. I have put it there to show them as one unit, because generally we have to find a square plus b square as one unit. Okay, like here a square plus 1 by a square, like here a cube plus b cube. So some places bracket I have put just to highlight that the formula remains same. So little modification. So when I solve the sum, you will see how we go about it. So okay, the very first sum we have, first part I have done up to 14. Now second part I am starting. So if you have to find x square plus 1 by x square, what we have to do is we take basic formula 1 by x, we do whole square. So just I'll use, there are many formulas. All this basic formula the book has used, ML Agrawal, and I am also using the basic one. Okay, so what we have, we square both the side. So what happens here, we have a minus b whole square. This formula, if you want to see, it is x square plus 1 by x square minus 2. Actually what happens, children, here 2ab, this term 2ab, if you see, a and b cancels because these two are reciprocal relationship. So I put here bracket, we have to find this. So you let it be on this side, this 2 you bring to this side. So here we have root 5 square. So here we get 5, and from that side root 5 square is 5, root implies sign, and minus 2 becomes plus. So once more we use this basic formula, a minus b whole square, which is root 5 square. So we expand here, a square plus b square minus 2ab, ab cancels, and we bring this because we have to get this. Second part, if you see, children, we have to get x plus 1 by x. So what we do here, x plus 1 by x, we have to get, so we will do whole square of this. So we have x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. If you see this formula number 4, this we have just found out, this is nothing but 7. So here this is equal to 7. You can write this side equal to 7, we get. So here we write 7 plus 2, 9. Okay, so this is x plus 1 by x square. So what we do next step, we have to get x plus 1 by x. So root over this side, root over 9, children, is plus minus 3, because we have your 3 square is 9 and minus 3 square is also 9. Okay, so next The third part we have x cube plus 1 by x cube. We will use this basic formula. We know x plus 1 by x whole cube is x cube plus 1 by x cube. See this formula, children, we are using. This formula we are using, but b is 1 by x plus 3 x into 1 by x cancels, x plus 1 by x. So this we have to get, you keep this on this side only. This thing you can transpose or let it be this side only, we have to find. This we know x plus 1 by x. If you see, x plus 1 by x is plus minus 3. So let me take first case 1 where I take x plus 1 by x equal to plus 3. So what do we get? 3 cube equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 into, this is again what we see, equal to 3. So plus 3 when you take, see this formula, x plus 1 by x whole cube is this into this. So here we take this over here and this side we substitute x plus 1 by x as plus 3. So we get x cube plus 1 by x cube. This side it comes 27 minus 9. So this you get x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 18. So this is what we get. But second part if we have, if you see second part, so please pause the video and copy. I will show you the second part of this. So there will be two answers. Here I have taken case 1. I'll show you case 2 here. So case 2, if you see, if I put x plus 1 by x minus 3, what happens here? So what do we get, children? Minus 3 cube plus equal to x plus 1 x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 into minus 3. So this gives you, because x plus 1 by x is minus 3. This is minus 3 now and this is also minus 3. Case 1 I had taken as plus 3. So what happens here? This is minus 27 plus 9 comes. So x cube by 1 by x cube is minus 18. So finally if you want to see the answer, x cube plus 1 by x cube was plus 18 here, minus 18 here. So answer is plus minus 18. So once more, we have two values you saw. X plus 1 by x is 3. We put 3 cube is 27. And this is also, if we put 3, so this comes here. It is minus 9. We get plus 18. And here, we see when you put minus, this becomes minus 27. This becomes minus 9 this side. So answer is minus 18 and plus 18. So finally, we get plus minus 18. If you have any difficulty, you can go back, pause the video, play back and see nicely until you understand. So I am pausing the video. Please copy it and then I'll go to the next sum. Okay, now boys, we take question 20 and 22. So here you see we have to find cube. So what we do cubing. Cubing of this side. See what do we get. So here when you cube, see this a minus, this format we take, but better this one we see. This was square, we have to get cube. Formula number 7. See, all are minus. See formula number 7. A cube minus b cube. This is a cube minus b cube. Alright, a cube minus 3 a into b See here, this a and b are not exactly reciprocal. This is 2 by x. So please write 3ab, a minus b. So a minus b means this. Next step we will do substitution. This we know is 3. So this is 3 cube. Put implies sign. This is what we have to find. That's why I was putting bracket. This is what we have to find. So this we will keep as it is. This it cancels. You get 6 into, and this is x minus 2 by x is 3. So finally we have x cube minus 8 by x cube. This comes here, 27 plus 18 is 45. So this is my answer. Once more, we cube it. This we keep because this we have to find. We substitute x minus 2 by x as 3 and 6 comes here by this formula number 7, and this cube, 3 cube is 27. So next we go, please pause the video and copy, and next we go to one proving question. So please pause and copy, then we will go to one proving question which is number 22. So here also, if you see children, there is cubing. So what we do here, we cubing both the sides. So cubing, generally we do both the sides, never done one side. So this side cube we do. So this side is this. So here what we do is we use the formula a plus b whole cube. So this is a cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3ab. This will cancel, children, because they are reciprocal, and since it is plus a plus b, formula number 6. So b is 1 by a. Alright. So this is what we have to find, children, you have to see. So keep this side. Okay. So a cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3. So this side you see a cube plus 1 by a cube. So this full thing, as I was showing, is p cube. So write p cube here. So this we write p cube, and here this is the expanded form, and this also, if you see, children, this is p. A plus 1 by a is p. So let this be here, and 3p comes this side. So p square you take common, p you take common, p square minus 3, open the bracket, p square, c, p square into p cube minus 3p is equal to a cube plus 1 by a cube. So hence we have proved it, hence proved. So this question we never had to answer anything, we had to just prove it. So kindly pause the video and copy. Now we start question number 27. This is very important for exam. So you see how we, from this format we go to this. So first you see this is this format. So what you do, dividing both the sides by a. See what we get, a square by a minus 3a by a plus 1 by a is 0. So we get a minus 3 plus 1 by a is equal to 0. When you rearrange, we get a plus 1 by a is equal to 3. So this is the first part. Before solving for this, we have to convert in this usual format of reciprocal relationship. So you'll get 1 mark for this. Then we go to the second part. So what we do, we have to find a square plus 1 by a square. So we do squaring of this, squaring both the side. What do we get? A square plus 1 by a square plus 2 is equal to 9. So simply I have squared this. So a square plus 1 by a square is 9 minus 2, which is 7. So answer is 7 for first part. Second part, if you see children, see nicely first part, simply I have divided, got into the format of reciprocal relationship, then I have squared. Now for cubing, we will be cubing this main equation a plus 1 by a is equal to 3. So what do we get? Here if you see a cube plus 1 by a cube, this is what we have to find, plus 3 a into 1 by a plus 1 by a. So this cancel children, this we have as 3 cube is equal to a cube plus 1 by a cube, and this is also again if you see a plus 1 by a is 3. So we get a cube plus 1 by a cube. So here 27 is there, 9 comes from that side. So we get 18 as a cube plus 1 by a cube. So do one thing, you pause the video, or you can go back and see nicely how I have got this. From there I got this, and cubing relationship a cube plus a plus 1 by a whole cube. We get this formula. We have to get this, that's why I was doing the pairing there. So 27 3 cube plus 9 becomes 9 minus 9, and this is what we get, a cube plus 1 by a cube. So kindly pause the video and then we move on to the next question. So we go next to question 30. This is little difficult, some from this chapter, one of the difficult most question, but it's not so hard. You can practice and you will see one solved example. ML Agrawal has many solved examples. So if you want to become perfect, do them. First see mine, do solved example, then try to do all the solved examples. So here we have to find, you see here x is there and root x. So something it is very confusing. So what we do children is first we will find reciprocal of x. And how we go about it, please see, and one sum is solved for you in the book also. 1 by 5 minus 2 root 6. So here you remember my first two video is on rationalization where I have explained this. So please see rationalization chapter also nicely, and this is the fourth video on expansion. So if you want to rationalize, if minus is there, I have explained it to you there, you take plus. So when you take plus, here see the denominator, we want to rationalize it, irrational number will go. So it is a square minus b square. So if we expand this, what do we get? This is 25 and this is 2 square is 4, root 6 square is 6, 4 6 are 24. So finally we get x 1 by, this will give you 1 is 5 plus 2 root 6 because denominator is 1. Now what we do, we find 1 x plus 1 by x plus 1 by x. So x is 5 minus 2 root 6 plus 1 by x is 5 plus 2 root 6. Once more, x is 5 minus 2 root 6 and this is plus 2 root 6. So this becomes 10. Now what we do with this idea, we know x plus 1 by x is 10. So let us keep aside this. Now we have to find this. So what we do is we take root x plus 1 by root x whole square. So this will give you x square, x root x square is x plus 1 by x plus this will cancel 2. So root x plus 1 by root x is equal to this, we have found out is 10. So 10 plus 2, okay, and write equal to here or here. So finally root over x plus this square term here is root over 12. Root 12 if you do children, root 12 if you do, prime factorization, you will get 2 into 2 into 3. So this is 2 root 3. So answer will be plus minus 2 root 3. So here we will see last part we will see where we reject the minus value. Why? See here. Root x is greater than 0. Therefore, root x plus 1 by root x should be greater than 0. So this full thing should be greater than 0. Therefore, minus 2 root 3 is rejected. So finally our answer is root x plus 1 by root x. We take the positive values 2 root 3 minus 1 is rejected because this should be greater than 0. So please pause the video and copy, and then we now move on to next question. Now we go to the last question from this exercise. So this formula number 8 is very handy. If you see, we have three things here: a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square, and last thing is this. So I am showing you one sum. So you have to find one where other two is given. So like here we have to find this. So a plus b plus c we have to find, but we have to take the square. This is given as 125. See children, this is given as 125, this is 2, and this is given as 50. So as I told you, we have three things. 2 will be given. Some question you have to find this and this will be given. Some question you have to find this and this will be given. So simply we have to substitute. So luckily this sum we have to find this a plus b plus c, but we use square relationship. So this, if you do 125 plus 100, this gives you 225. So a plus b plus c is 225. So now whole square. So we have to get, so this is whole square, remember. We have to root both the sides. So this square will go from this side, and this side it will become root 225, which is plus minus 15. So answer is plus minus 15. You know why? The reason is root of a number is a number whose square gives you this number. So 15 square is also 225, minus 15 square is also 225. So kindly, we are coming to the end of the chapter. Go through the chapter again, practice it from solved example as well as other example. Thank you boys for watching.